Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you my inspo pic because this Joker look is obviously not as amazing, but I wanted to do a girly, artistic way of the Joker. So I'm starting with foundation on the outer corners. I'm using Colourpop foundation because I absolutely love it. If you haven't tried the stick yet, I have a review, but it's actually really good. So I'm going to link all the products down below, and I'm putting that on the outer corners. On the inner corners of my face, on the inside I guess, I'm using the lightest shade of the BH Cosmetics Pro Concealer. I think it's shade 100. I like to use the lightest shade of foundation over using white sometimes. I just feel like it gives your face a little bit more dimension because, as you've seen in the past, I like doing Halloween looks, but I like them to be kind of glam and artistic over it being super real. I'll leave that to the other makeup artists. There's so many of us. This is just my style. So if you like that, go with the lightest shade of concealer or the lightest for you over using white. So I'm just blending that together, and you could see it still looks like a skin color, but it's a million shades lighter than me. And then I'm going to pack on some powder. For this powder, I'm using the OPV Translucent Setting Powder. I usually never use this much, but because it's a very cakey kind of face painted look, I'm really using a lot. And I also like to do this because I don't like when my skin gets stained, but if you use a lot of foundation and powder underneath your color paint, like using color on your skin, meaning like face paints and stuff, it won't stain your skin as much. And you'll see, well, I don't think you see it, you don't see it, but I didn't stain my skin at all. So to start the super hard contours, I'm using my favorite contouring palette. I actually use this bronzer all the time. It's the MUA contour palette or bronzer palette. It's sold in CVS. So I can't link it, but it's in your local CVS if you have one. And I'm just really, really, really sculpting my nose and eyes to give my face a lot of depth. And in the overall look, it will make a difference. And with the same bronzer palette, I'm using a blush brush to sculpt out my cheeks and my jaw because I need to look a little bit thinner, okay? To set the whiter areas, I'm using the Dragun Beauty Transformation Kit because it's a brightening powder, but it also could really, really brighten up your face. Using the red in my Makeupforever Flash Palette, I'm going to draw on the brows. I know my wig looks crazy. Putting on wigs is so hard. But I tried my best, and I mean, whatever. It's just for a tutorial. And the waterline, I'm using a chromatic MAC pencil, so it's essentially a nude eye pencil just to whiten out the waterline. I can't remember why I wanted to do that, but it came out good, so I'm not mad at it. But yeah, my wig looks like shit. I mean, the cut is amazing. My best friend Ashley did it for me. Like, it looks good. I just installed it terribly. So now going back in with the blue, these are cream colors, so it can lay a base down for you, and then you can go back in with some eyeshadow. I'm sure you could use like eyeliners and a bunch of different things, but it's just easier for me, and I find that these cream colors are so easy to work with. They can be thinned out, they can be layered, they're just easily manipulated, and for a look like this, I just thought they were perfect. Using my use your inner artist. What does he say? Unleash your inner artist. Well, unleash your inner Joker. This palette's amazing actually, especially for Halloween time, like for freelance artists. It's actually really good. I never got to review it, but here's my review. I love it. Sometimes I forget I have it, but when I do remember, it is so amazing, and I have a feeling I'll be using it a lot this year for Halloween 2019. And from what you saw on the picture, one side had that classic clown eye teardrop, and the other side had just a regular triangle. So that's what I'm creating, but I liked it being messy. I know for like OCD people, it's probably so cringe that it's messy, but I liked it messy, okay? Messy, messy, messy. Say messy again. So I just used my fingers and blended it out a little bit more so you get that like messy look. And using the same red cream color, I'm going on my nose and making the red clown nose. I mean, It's pretty easy. My brushes are all like detailed eye brushes, and that really helps with Halloween looks. And I'm just going in with eyeshadow and setting it. For my lips, I'm using Fenty. I've been waiting to use this. I can't remember the name of it, but it's the red Fenty lip. For if you just wanted to know, for everyday use, this lip color is so bomb. I don't wear a lot of red because I don't like my teeth, but it's a Halloween look, so I'm using it, and it's incredible. So if you like wearing reds, it is such a good red. It is such a good formula and applicator and packaging. Big Fenty fan. So I'm just overlining. Like if you like to overline, now is the time. Clown looks are amazing for that. And I'm just taking a detailed lip brush and then exaggerating it. My camera died and I didn't know. So I'm just going in and filling in the blue the same as I did on the bottom on top. And the look is pretty much finished. I'm just taking my fingers and smudging it a little bit more. I should have done more, but it is what it is. You can really go crazy with this type of Joker look. And I just threw on a red blazer because, to be honest, I wasn't about to buy a whole Joker outfit. But I love this look. I love my hair. I want to have short green hair. I want to have short blonde hair. And I love the Joker. I can't wait to go see it. Let me know in the comments down below if you'll be seeing the movie. And if you like this look, or if you think it's stupid because it didn't look just like the Joker, but I happen to really like it. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe because I have more Halloween looks coming on the way. Bye!